Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports styling, which is going to give you the AMG interior exterior styling. 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, tires are in good condition. A silk beige MBTEX interior. Sunroof coming around back. We've got a rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of all season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, a nice ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB port, our buttons for our infotainment center. This E-Class has 13,222 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.